Good morning all. I am Gayathri, Assistant Professor of Chemistry. Today I am going to share about boiler troubles. Caustic embrittlement, that is also called as intercrystalline cracking. The caustic embrittlement means intercrystalline cracking in the boiler metal. The boiler water usually contains a small portion of sodium carbonate. In the high pressure boilers with the sodium carbonate undergoes decomposition to give sodium hydroxide. The sodium hydroxide flows into the minute hair cracks present in the boiler metal by capillary action and dissolves the surrounding area of ion as sodium ferroate. This causes brittlement in the boiler pots, particularly in the stressed part like bend, joint, rivets, and causing even failure of the boiler. This can be prevented by some methods like using sodium phosphate as softening agent instead of sodium carbonate, or by adding tannin lignin to the boiler water, which blocks the hair cracks present in the boiler metal. Next we move on to the boiler corrosion. Corrosion in boiler is due to the presence of dissolved oxygen, dissolved carbon dioxide, and dissolved salts. The dissolved oxygen in water is mainly responsible for the corrosion in boiler. The dissolved oxygen in water attacks the boiler material at high temperature. This can be removed by chemical or mechanical methods. In chemical method, sodium sulfite and hydrogen are some of the chemicals which is used for removing oxygen present in the water. And hydrogen is found to be an ideal compound for removing dissolved oxygen in the water, especially when compared with the sodium sulfite. Hydrogen is best, and since the product and water are inert nitrogen gas, so it can be easily, the byproduct also easily removed. And also the dissolved oxygen can be removed by mechanical deaeration method. In this method, the dissolved oxygen can be removed from water by mechanical deaeration. That is, when water is allowed to fall slowly on the plates which is fitted inside the tower. The sides of the tower are heated and the vacuum pump is also attached to it. The high temperature and low pressure maintains inside the tower, which reduces dissolved oxygen in the water. And another method of and then dissolved carbon dioxide can be removed by adding a calculated amount of ammonium hydroxide in water. The carbon dioxide which is present in the water, which is turned into carbonic acid, which is very more acidic and causes corrosion in the boiler. The corrosion dissolved gas is also produced from decomposition of bicarbonate salts present in water. These can be removed mechanically by deaeration method. And the dissolved magnesium chloride, the acids produced from salts dissolved in water, also mainly responsible for magnesium chloride for the corrosion of the boilers. The salts like magnesium chloride, calcium chloride, which undergo hydrolysis at high temperature to give HCl, which also corrodes the boiler. And these can be removed by addition of alkali to the boiler. Therefore, the magnesium chloride can be removed. Thank you all.